Hello again, and welcome back to my studio. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to draw some ghosts. Grab a paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, we're gonna draw a couple different ghosts today, and we're gonna start with a little cute one first. It's gonna be an easier, simpler one, and then the next ghost will be a little bit more advanced. So let's try this simple ghost first. We're gonna start from the bottom and go up and do this half oval type shape like that, okay? Really easy. Once we have this, we're gonna do a few rounded shapes on the bottom, like that. And there's our ghost body. Perfect. Once we have that, we're gonna do a couple little arms coming out the side. Then we gotta do the fun part. We gotta move in and do the small details on the inside of the ghost. We'll do one eye here, another eye here, and then we're gonna do a cute little mouth and fill that in too. And if you want to, you can do a couple small little cheeks on the side. And there we have a cute little ghost. Good job. You did a really good job on that one. Okay, next, let's do another ghost, but a little bit more complicated, like I said. And let's do a Bubba ghost. Let's make a grumpy ghost. So we're gonna start, we'll do a similar shape, but watch this. It's gonna come over, it's a little bit more lumpy. He's a grumpy ghost. And then we're gonna come out with a little tail too. Just like that. Perfect. Once we have his body shape, we're gonna do some arms on the side. And then straight across, we're gonna do his grumpy eyes. Then a couple lines underneath. A couple more lines underneath. And then fill in those pupils. Perfect. Next is his mouth. A wide mouth with a straight line underneath, a couple teeth, a tongue, and a couple lines around his mouth. Just like that. Perfect. And then we can finish off with a couple details, some texture around, lines and bumps, and maybe even a few hairs on top of our grumpy ghosts. And there we have it, 2 ghost characters. Yeah. Good job, you did a really good job on these today. I'm so proud of you. Thanks again for coming to draw with me. I hope you come back real soon. Bye.
If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit yayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!